Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine first and last name in Google Sheets. Merging first and last names in Google Sheets simplifies data organization, making it easier to manage and utilize your contact lists efficiently. So let's start the video. First, open your Google Sheets where you have your data. Here you can see I have a list of first names in column B and last names in column C. Now what if I want the combined name to appear in column D under full name? So click on the cell and type in the concatenate formula. This formula will combine the first name in cell B2, add a space in between. You can see the quotation marks with space in between, and then add the last name from cell C2. Now hit enter. You should see the combined name in cell D2. To apply this formula to the rest of the column, you can press Ctrl plus Enter on your keyboard to autofill. There you have it, all your first and last names are now merged into one column. So that's how to combine first and last names in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.